Hi, so this is the demo for the application Tuned Player, which we have created as part of our final project for CS5200. So I'll start with explaining about the roles which we have. So we have the admin role, the guest user role, the listener role, and the artist role. All these roles have different privileges and actions which they can do. So I will walk through each of them one by one. I will start with the guest user role. So the guest user of the application can only do certain things, and for him to access more features, one has to register the application. So, but as a guest user, a person can search for any song. So if I search for this song, I can see the details of the songs, but I cannot do anything else. Similarly, if I search for any artist, I can view the artist details. I can go to the artist profile. I can view the artist's following. Followers are the person who are following him, and following is the one are the ones which he is following, this particular person, and the albums which the artist has. And in the albums, one can see the details of the songs. Third thing which a guest user can do is search for albums, and he can search these albums and then can view the songs within those albums. So here this album doesn't have any song, it's a empty album, so it's showing like this. So in order to use more features, I will sign up with the new artist. So I'll sign up with Charlie. You can sign up using these things, and I'll sign up as an artist first. So now I have signed up, registered for it, and now I'm going to sign in. So this contains the list of available listeners for the application. So I'll sign in as him. So this is the landing page for the user of the application who is a listener. So the listener can create, view, and make changes to his own playlist and add songs to his playlist. Favorites is a single place where all the liked, favorite, and disliked songs are available. People are the people who he is following or he is being followed by. And explore is a list of albums available. So I'll start with playlists. So since this is a new registered user, he currently doesn't have any playlist, so I'll start with a playlist creation of a playlist. So playlist 1 is created now, but since there are no songs, I can either search the song or I can go it through other way. So I'll start with searching a song. I'll show you how this is done. So if I search a song, now I can add a song to my playlist. So now the song got added. Now if I go back there, I can see the details. I can see that nobody has liked it. So if I like it now, it will show me that I have liked this song. I can delete the song, I can play the song, and I can use all these details. Now I'll add this with from another source, so which is this explore section, which contains the all the albums available. So from here also I can add a song. So if I add a song here, now my song is added. So if I go to my playlist again, now I can see my song got added. So I'll show you one more thing. So if I like my song, this is consistently being shown that my song was liked, as you can see here. So now I'll show you how I can delete a song and delete a playlist. So if I delete a song, this song will get removed from the playlist. But since this is a one to many relationship, the song only gets many to many relationship, the song gets removed from the playlist. So one playlist can have multiple songs and one song can belong to multiple playlists. Now I'll show you how we can delete a playlist. The user can definitely delete a playlist. So if I click here, my delete playlist is deleted. I'll show you one more example. Playlist 1, playlist 2. Now I can delete a playlist and my playlist got deleted. So the favorites is a single place where all the liked song, disliked songs are available for the user to see. So as we can see that the user did not favorite any song, but he had liked them. So if I go to explore section, I'll quickly like favorite a song, dislike a song, and like a song. So if I come back here, I can see that there is one song which I liked, three I disliked, and three I liked and one I disliked. The next part is the people part. Now since I am a new user, I am not following anyone, neither I'm a follower of anybody. I'm not being followed by anybody. So I'll start with following a spouse artist here. So now I can view the profile of the artist. I can view who he or she is following and the albums. And now I can follow this person. Now if I go back, I can see that I am following one person here, so I can definitely unfollow. So now this list gets updated, and now if I go back there, I can see that I do not follow her. One more thing which I can do is I can view my own profile and I can make changes to it. So if I add a number here and an address here, I can update it. So my profile got updated. So these are all the features which are available to a listener. So now I'll start with how the artist section of the application behaves. So if I go to this particular artist, and I'll go to Rihanna. Uh, so now this is the landing page for the artist. What are the features available to this particular artist? So I'll start with the album. Now the artist can have multiple albums. So all the albums are present in the single place. Now if I play the song, the preview is not available, so it will show that it is not available. If the preview is available, it will show it. Now the artist can see all the likes, favorites and dislikes done on his or her song, and the artist can delete her own song. So these are all the features available. The artist can delete an album, so all the corresponding songs will also get deleted, since this is a one to many relationship. So an album can consist of many songs, and that is specific to a user. So now I go back to create. If I want to have a new song in my album, I can come here and I can add this to my album. So now my song one got updated to my album. Sorry, which one was it? Yeah, this, as we can see. Apart from that, this is a single consolidated list of all the songs provided by other artists, so you can see that here, and you can see the popularity of the songs as well. So this is, the artist can view all this, and the artist can also see the preview of the song here. The next feature is the people feature, which is same as the listener feature. Any user can follow anybody. So now if I follow uh, anybody, I would be able to view it here. So now I can follow him, come back, I can check that I am following this person. I'll show you how I can also I'll show the other side of it as well once. And same thing, same feature is available to the artist also. He or she can update his profile. So if you can see that profile got updated. Now I'll quickly log in with Jonas Brothers, and I'll show you that I had like the following and followers. So we can see that one person is follow. So if I follow her back, I can see that I am a follower of her and she is a follower of me. So these are all the features which are available. And yeah, artists can also search for songs. You can see the songs here, and the other and same functionality is available to the artist. So now the admin feature. So now I'll log in as an admin. Admin he's a super user of the application, so he has all the privileges given to him. Admin can add a new user, so he can register someone new. So I'll quickly do that. I'll set up as artist. Sorry. So now I have registered him, and now I can view that I registered a new artist here. I have registered. So now I can see the listeners, and I can view an artist. I can delete anybody. I can view the one more thing. I can view the all the details of the users albums which that the user has, the uh, following and follower as well. So if I go back, I'll go to Rihanna. I can see the number of people she is following and she is followed by, and I can see the albums, and from here as again I can go to this person's profile. Now if I come back, I can delete a user, so I'll start with deleting this person. So now I can see that Rihanna got deleted. Now I go back and check, there are no followers and following of Jonas Brothers. Now the other feature is I can add a new playlist. So I'll show you at the show it next. So like after this. So yeah, one more place. This is all the songs available in the application. So the admin can play the song, can add the song to a new playlist, and admin can delete a song. So if I go here, I'll see this song. I'll delete the song here. Now if I come, sorry, there must be some issue. 1 second. Yeah. So now if I go back to albums, I can delete a song. I can delete any album. So now this album got deleted. I can view the details in the album. I can view the songs. I can view the preview. I can add this song to any playlist. Now I go back here. Now I can see the playlists available. So this playlist has 5 songs, so I can view it. I can view all the other details as well. Now I can add a new playlist on behalf of some user. So if I add a playlist here, Alice. Now I go back here and I can see that playlist got created, and then I can again add songs to that playlist. I'll view this. I'll add song to playlist. I'll add it here. Now I will again I can add a new album as well, which will behave similarly. I have to choose a artist for which I'm creating an album, and then I can create song for that album. So now I can see that my album is here, and I can add song 1 to my album, and I can add multiple songs to the album. I mean, however I want. So this is same as creating a new song for a list artist, how he created it. Oh, I am sorry, I think I didn't show you. I'll show you that after this. So I can see that my album is here, and now my album 1 is available here, and the songs are here. And the last thing, so these are all the privileges which the admin has. Now the last thing is what I missed is the how the artist can add songs to his album. So this is again the same thing. How I do it is I save the song name and I can add the album I want to add it to. My song got added. Now I go back, I check this, and my song is available. So this is the whole application, how everything behaves here. So That's it from my side. Thank you.